This one yung portion ng area ng Jensen Fishport na smaller yung fish. Unsan yung klase ng isda? Unsan yung klase ng isda ni?
Budlisan.
Ha?
Pirit budlisan.
Pirito. Asa ni siya? Expo? Asa ni yung ikuan? Dalhon? Biyahe? Asa? Sa?
Negros.
Baylan siya nga biyahe. Di madaot eh? Ay, diha, butang no? Sa, yung. So they have yung ice. The fish will be transported to the Visayas, traveling more than 500 to 800 kilometers. So for buyers in the Visayas. So they put the ice there, no? Then it will be picked up by transport once it's picked up.
Going to Cagayan de Oro.
Negros no? Going to Negros in Visayas. So these are mga tinatawag na smaller fish, no, but bound for the Visayas. The system is they put ice, no, on all these containers. Then transport it, no, to kung Negros siguro baka Dipolog or Surigao by land. Around 8 to 10 hours of land trip. Okay. So these are the the cheaper version of isda. Kaning sudlanan pila ka kilo ni siya? Isa ka sudlanan ani? Ha? Ayan ah. 95? So nakakilo na siya. So, butang ag ice. Lagyan ng ice. So, may classification din sa doon, no? Yung medyo sira-sira na. They classify that, no? Okay. They have some system also on classifying it. Quality control. But I observed the labor, they got a share per box. So instead of paying them cash, these people are being paid in kind, in fish, and they'll be selling that in the local market. So every box, I think he's getting 5 or 6 pieces. Okay. So that is how business being done here. No cash. They place their share there, no, in the container per piece. This one, no? This is their share. I think 7 pieces.
So they control with the weight, right?
Yeah. There's a weight control. Oh. Interesting. To the other side, you have the big tuna. This one, smaller, no? This is the first time that you visited the Fishport?
That's a big one, yes.
The big one. This is the Philippines' biggest, no? Fishport. Very busy Fishport. The unloading, the weighing.